Hi, this is Nora De Silva. My host today is a civil engineer. He is from Egypt. He studied and worked in Egypt. He worked in Dubai, and he is currently working in Canada. His name is Mina. Hi, Mina. How are you doing?
Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. Thank you so much for coming today, and you're willing to share the information and experience that you've done with us.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you. Where did you get your civil engineering degree from?
I got it from Egypt.
How many years did you work in Dubai?
I worked 14 years in Dubai.
What type of projects did you use to work on in Dubai?
I worked in high-rise buildings and ICI, which is the industrial, commercial, and institutional buildings, as well as villas and roads infrastructure. Also the renovation for Dubai Airport.
Okay. Can you tell us now what is a professional engineering?
The professional engineering is the certificate that certifies that the engineer who's coming from his home country or whoever finished his education here in Canada is engineer.
What are the process to get the professional engineering?
The process differs between the provinces. However, for example, here in Ontario, they just changed the sequence of submissions. So now the applicant can submit his application from his home country, and he has to have around 48 months of experience, and also he has to certify his educational certificate, which is his degree, through WES, which is the World Educational Services.
So minimum experience is 2 years to apply for the professional engineering?
4 years.
48 months, yeah, 4 years.
4 years, yeah. And he has to finish 4 subjects and pass the exams.
Is getting the professional engineering will guarantee you to get a job in Canada?
It will not guarantee it, but it will make it easier, or it will make it more opportunities.
Okay. What do you advise the people who have already applied to migrate to Canada? Do you advise them to do something while they are waiting to come?
Yes, I prefer that they start looking into the jobs and the responsibilities for the jobs, because it differs from country to country. So they have to check what is the requirements for each opportunity or each job, and then start to make a link or connection with these people, whoever is working in the companies. So for example, I know one of my friends, he made a link through LinkedIn. This link, he connected to one engineer in one of the biggest companies, and he showed him his work, he showed him his projects, and when he came here, landing, he got an offer letter.
Wow, that's impressive. Okay. And what are the right steps to do in order to get a job in Canada?
First of all, connections. Second, he has to know where exactly he's gonna live. For example, if he's a petroleum engineer, he has to go to Alberta, because Alberta known with the petroleum. If he's construction, I prefer to go in one of the biggest cities like Toronto or BC, or somewhere that he can find jobs.
Okay. Sometimes applying for job as a newcomer, they will tell you like you don't have Canadian experience. And sometimes this period until you find a work within your field, it takes time. So what do you advise people to do? Do they stay without job, or what else they can do?
For sure, they have to work. So they have to study, or they have to search for new jobs or some jobs that is qualifying for engineers, like draftman, for example. If somebody knows how to draw or AutoCAD, he can work as a draftsman at the first beginning until he get his Canadian experience, and he will be promoted to engineer or assistant engineer. Also, there is technicians. So he can work as a technician at the first beginning until he got his certificate or whatever, and he can start working as engineer.
Yeah, so basically he start with something related to his job. Then after he get the experience, he might get promoted at the same company,
Right.
or he might apply for others.
Right.
That's how he get or she get the Canadian experience.
Yep.
Okay. Thank you so much, Mina, for your time, for coming today and sharing all the experiences with us.
Thank you for having me.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Stay tuned for other episodes. Thank you for watching us.